In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone in ClickUp. ClickUp is an incredibly versatile productivity tool that helps individuals and teams stay organized, manage tasks, and collaborate seamlessly. However, to make sure your deadlines and reminders align with your local time, setting the correct time zone in your account is essential. Whether you've recently moved to a new location or need to adjust for daylight saving time, I'll guide you step by step through the process. It's quick, simple, and ensures your schedules stay on track. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your account using your email address or a connected account, like Google. If prompted, complete any additional security steps to verify your identity. This might include a code sent to your email or phone. After successfully signing in, locate your profile avatar or the initial of your name in the top right corner of the screen. This is your account menu. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with various options. From here, select the option labeled Settings. Once you're in the Settings area, make sure you're viewing the My Settings tab. This is where you can manage personal preferences for your ClickUp account. Now scroll down the page until you see the section titled Language and Region. In this section, look for the field labeled Time Zone. This is where you'll update your time zone settings. Click on the field, and a list of available time zones will appear. Find and select the time zone that matches your current location. If you're unsure, choose a city in your region that follows the same daylight saving rules as your area. After you've chosen the correct time zone, click the Save Changes button to confirm your update. Once you do this, wait for a confirmation message or a page refresh indicating that your changes have been successfully applied. If the page doesn't refresh automatically, you can manually refresh it to ensure your new settings are in place. Finally, verify that the update was successful. You can do this by checking a task with a due date or creating a test reminder. Confirm that the displayed time matches your local clock. And that's it. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.